Welcome to SS tutorial. Today I came here with one more new video. This video is going to be on a very important topic. So please don't skip and keep watching. Today in this video we will be talked about some most characteristic landform which are made by running water in the arid and semi-arid region. This topic will be useful whenever you are studying geography, geomorphology or earth topography. So let's begin. In the desert region, rainfall is not only very low, but it is very uncertain also. However, sometimes there is a heavy rain. Due to such sudden rainfall, innumerable streams come down from the highland of this region. These streams erode in the desert highland and accumulate in the foothill. Due to this, some most characteristic landforms develop in the desert region, which we will discuss now. In the desert region, running water develops some characteristic landforms. They are Pediment, Bajada and Playa. Here we must know that fluvial action is the principal factor for the development of Pediment, Bajada and Playa, though wind action also responsible for their development. Let's know them one by one. At first, we will know about pediment. Pediment is nothing but a gently sloping erosional surface or plain of low relief formed by running water in the arid and semi-arid region. At the base of receding mountain front, develops when sheet of running water was over it at the time of occasional torrential rainfall. Here, question is what is meant by mountain front? Mountain front is an imaginary line between mountain area and a low gently sloping plain. Actually, pediments are developed between the foothill of the mountain and Bajada. We will know Bajada later. Pediment is a wide sloping and rocky area. Pediments was used for the first time by G.K. Gilbert in the year of 1882. A pediment is underlain by bedrock which is covered by a thin layer of regolith, alluvium or debris derived from upland area. Sometimes pediments are mistaken with alluvial fan. Main difference between them is pediment basically erosional landform, whereas alluvial fans are depositional landforms. Pediment may several kilometers in length and average slope is 1 degree to 7 degree. It is slightly concave. That's why pediment is known as a concave slope or a warning slope. Basically, pediments are found in arid or semi-arid region. However, most recent research says that it can be developed in the temperate or humid climate also. Formation of a pediment is a controversial topic even today. There are several theories for the development of pediment. Most important theories are Lawson's recession theory, sheet flood theories of McGee, lateral erosion theory, and composite theory. Let's know about Lawson's recession theory. According to A.C. Lawson, pediments are developed by gradual recession of mountain front caused by weathering and erosion. Due to backwashing of mountain front through mechanical disintegration of rocks, consequent wind and fluvial erosion, mountain front is subjected to gradual recession. This process results in the formation of very smooth rock-cut plain, which is known as pediment. Let's know sheet flood theory. According to W.G. McGee, pediments are formed due to erosion of weathered bedrocks by sheet flood caused by occasional torrential rainfall in arid and semi-arid region, and eroded materials are deposited in the downslope. Let's know lateral erosion theory. According to G.K. Gilbert, the formation of pediment is caused by lateral erosion of stream. These three theories is based on the monogeomorphic processes. That means, according to geomorphologists Lawson, McGee and Gilbert, pediment is formed by only one geomorphic process. According to geomorphologists Crick, Bryan, William Morris Davis, pediments are not formed by only one geomorphic process. They think pediments are formed by several processes. Let's know composite theory. Geomorphologist Crick, Bryan attributes that pediments are developed by three processes. They are 1. Due to lateral erosion by running water comes from the mountain front. 2. Due to erosion of rills at foothill zones. And 3. Due to disintegration of mountain front under the impact of mechanical weathering. Geomorphologist William Morris Davis postulated that At first, the mountain front is disintegrated by mechanical weathering, and then weathered materials are transported foothills by seed floods. These two processes together caused gradual recession of mountain front and rock-cut pediment surface. When broad and relatively flat rock surface formed due to the joining of several pediments, then they are called as pediplain. The process in which pediplains are formed is called as pediplanation. Pediplanation concept were first developed by famous geologist L.C. King in the year of 1942. Formation of a pediplain is same as formation of pediment. However, the formation of pediment is controversial even today, and research is going on. So pediplanation process also a controversial topic. In general, as running water and wind together erodes and disintegrate rock surface, and they reduce height of the mountain range and form series of pediments at the base, and when they join each other they form relatively large and gently sloping rock surface, which is known as pediplain. A pediplain consists mostly of thin alluvial surface. According to L.C. King, pediplain is the last stage of the evolution of landform in the arid and semi-arid region. There is an isolated residual hill stands above the pediplain, is known as Inselberg, which is same as monadnock, made by fluvial erosion. Let's know about Bajada. Bajada is also one of the most characteristic landform made by running water in the arid and semi-arid region. Bajada is nothing but a very gently sloping plain that lie at the base of the mountain or at the base of the pediment, developed by the accumulation of running water. Bajada is actually a plain, lies between pediment and playa. Let's know about the formation of Bajada. When innumerable streams comes up from the highland due to occasional torrential rainfall, it carries some debris from the upland and deposit along the foothill of the mountain and forms a gently sloping plain which is known as Bajada. Upper part of Bajada or part which is near to the pediment is made by large grain size particles like sand, pebble, etc. And here slope is about 8 degree to 10 degree. And lower part of the Bajada is made by fine grain size particles like silt, and here slope is very low, which is only about 0 degree to 1 degree. Some geomorphologists think that Bajada develops by the convergence of a series of alluvial veins in the arid and semi-arid region. Bajada are made up of mixture of sand, gravels, boulders and silt particles, which forms deep and complex soil structure that holds water and which support for growing vegetation. Let's know about playa. Playa is a Spanish word which means shore or beach. Playa is nothing but an ephemeral lake. When sudden torrential rainfalls occurs in the desert region, then innumerable streams comes down from the highland and they march together into the lowland in the middle of the basin, which is surrounded by mountain and forms a lake which is known as playa. They have different names in different areas. They may be termed as Pan in Australia, Kavir in Iran, Shabaka in Saudi Arabia, and so on. Playa may be classified into two types on the basis of salinity. They are saline playa and salt-free playa. Salt playa may be termed as salt flat, salt marsh, salada, salar, salt pan, alkali flat or salina. And salt-free playa may be termed as clay pan, hard pan, dry lake bed and so on. Playas are not permanent as they are made up of non-perennial stream. Their durability may vary from a few days to a few months. Diameter of a playa may range from a few square meter to 10 square kilometer. Due to higher evaporation, alkaline deposit take place at the base of lake like sodium bicarbonate, borax and so on. When the water of playa dries up, a white coating of salt appears, which reflects sunlight and look like water. Thirsty desert travelers are confused and endangered by this mirage. That's all for today. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please press the like button and share with your friends. To get more new video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.